Have you ever looked at someone successful and wondered, what's their secret? It's not luck. It's not just talent. It's consistency, doing the right things, again and again, especially when no one's watching. Success isn't one big leap. It's 1,000 small steps, taken every single day. Welcome to this 1-hour deep dive into the power of consistency. You'll discover why it's the most underrated superpower, and how you can start using it today. Chapter 1. The Myth of Overnight Success. The internet loves instant results. You see a transformation, a success story, a millionaire at 25. What they don't show, the years of failure, doubt, and discipline behind the scenes. Virat Kohli, Kobe Bryant, APJ Abdul Kalam. All these icons built greatness through repetition, not moments of genius. They followed routines. They stuck to the plan when motivation died. They didn't stop just because they were tired. That's the difference. Chapter 2. What is consistency? Consistency means doing what you said you'll do, over and over again. It means showing up when it's boring. It means doing the hard thing even when you feel like quitting. It's not about perfection. It's about persistence. The gym once a week won't get you fit. Reading one book won't make you wise. But reading 10 pages every day? That rewires your brain. Why motivation fails you? Motivation is emotional. It's temporary. Consistency is strategic. It's permanent. You'll never always be motivated, but you can be disciplined. Ask yourself, can I do this even when I don't feel like it? Discipline kicks in when motivation runs out. Chapter 4. The 1% Rule. Imagine you improve just 1% every day. By the end of the year, you're 37x better than when you started. Tiny changes, over time, compound like interest. Examples. 10 minutes of journaling every morning, right pointing arrow, massive mental clarity. Saving 100 rupees daily, right pointing arrow, 36,500 rupees per year. 20 push-ups per day, right pointing arrow, 7,300 push-ups per year equals stronger body. Success compounds. So do your habits. Chapter 5. Systems, goals. Goals are results. Systems are processes. Want to be a writer? Don't focus on the book. Focus on writing 500 words daily. Want to get fit? Don't obsess over abs. Just show up at the gym daily. Winners and losers have the same goals. What sets them apart? Their systems. Chapter 6. Build a routine that works. Tips to build a consistent routine. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your life in a day. Stack habits. Tie new habits to existing ones. Track progress. Use a journal or habit tracker. Be kind to yourself. Missing one day is okay. Don't miss twice. Environment matters. Set up your space for success. Success is boring. Doing the same thing every day isn't glamorous, but it works. Chapter 7. Real life stories. Let's look at people who used consistency to change their lives. J.K. Rowling. Rejected 12 times. Wrote daily while raising a child alone. M.S. Dhoni. Hours of quiet, repetitive practice, year after year. David Goggins. Lost over 100 pounds with one rule: never miss a day. These aren't special people, they're consistent people, and that's what you can be too. Final message. Small things, done consistently, create extraordinary results. Robin Sharma. So start with one habit. Stick to it for 30 days. Then build the next, and the next. This isn't about being extreme. It's about being consistent, and that's how you win. Bell subscribe for more real motivation. Your journey starts today.